I will read some sentences I wrote. In my opinion, the most important thing is community. Transnational network of institutions and people supporting and helping each other. My country, Poland, is becoming more and more oppressive state. But there are countries where the situation is worse. Places where human rights violations are common. Countries where artists are threatened with imprisonment or even death. Compared to these places, our situation in Poland is not the worst. It's bad, it's very bad, but not the worst. But the threat of fascism is becoming more and more real here. The ban on abortion, discrimination against LGBTQ+ people, politicization of courts, breaking democratic principles is becoming everyday life in Poland. In this situation, this network can provide real support. It can support international pressure when we need it and create escape points for who's at risk. We need it now. We need a rapid reaction force. In a moment, it will be too late because our time is becoming shorter and shorter.
Art galleries, as well as other cultural institutions, are by nature exclusive. Even if they talk about defending democratic values, human rights, egalitarianism, their character is still exclusive. There are more artists that we have not shown at our galleries than the ones we have shown. We focus to keep our exhibitions the best. We focus on the art we show to be the best, most interesting, most up-to-date, and of course outstanding. This is how we fulfill our ambitions. We talk about problems instead of solving them. We talk about persecution and discrimination instead of talking to the persecuted and discriminated against. We talk about exclusion, however, we ourselves block and exclude. The power of curators, the power of directors. It is very exciting to be allowed to decide. Perhaps the apex of pleasure may be in the decision to give up deciding and not to judge. By saying, I don't know, I open up space for others. I'm not looking for someone who knows or who will provide a recipe. I want to give space for others to speak up. I should be a guard who makes sure that the place which I'm letting go of is not occupied by someone who is convinced that they know.